polymath, and I travel around the country helping schools to manage and intervene with behavior that interrupts instruction. Because let's face it, what we really want to get back to is the instruction. So here's today's question. OMG, I have a first grade student who says things that are so not okay. Things I'm sure he's seen on TV or in video games. They just fly out of his mouth, and it's shocking. How do I deal with it? We've been doing school the same way for a number of years, but our input has changed. Kids are exposed to things the average 35-year-old shouldn't be exposed to, and they don't know what to do with that information. All they know is that when they see it and they see a similar situation, I'm just going to repeat that. I always say that kids are not born giving the finger from the car seat. All right, it's been a line of mine for a long time. They kind of watch the adults in the front seat and they see them start to unravel, and then it happens and they go, they put that in their little bag of tricks to use later. So we don't have a lot of control over what happens at home and what they're allowed to do. So let that go. So when kids are exposed to things on TV, video games, and things come into the classroom and they fly out of their mouth and it's shocking to you, one of the best things you can do, and really the only thing you can do, is to not let it be shocking. And that's hard. That's really hard, because sometimes I think I've heard it all and a zinger comes out and I'm like, whoa. We remember that a 6-year-old first grader developmentally they're using that type of word or that shocking thing they've heard or seen on a video game, but remember, they're not defining it the same way you would, because we have much more experience and much more background. So you can't get too personally involved. The only thing you can do is remain calm, keep that poker face, because if your eyes fly out of your head, the child is going to record that and go, that was cool. And just shut it down. Say, stop. Oh, my video game said this, we can do this, and we're supposed to. Video games are not in school. We're done. Don't make a huge deal out of it, and don't get upset about what they go home to, because you don't have control over that. Thanks for that question. And if you have questions that you'd like to see in a future episode, please include those in the comments below.